Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I will show you a YouTube style progress bar, which is there specifically for React.js applications. So there is a package which is useful for showing these progress bars, which is React Progress. I will show you a very basic example where we have an actual HTML form, and when the user submits this form while entering the name and the email address, we have a submit button as well. So when the user clicks the submit button, you will actually see this progress bar. If you see on the top of the screen, we have this progress bar, something like YouTube like, and after that we display the details. So it's a very practical example. So when the user comes to your website, they fill out the information and click on the submit button, and you will actually see this progress bar happening. So once it reaches, you will see the result. So I will show you this complete example, how to implement this progress bar. You can customize the look and feel of this progress bar. So this is actually the command here, npm I react progress. I've already installed it, so I will just show you a very basic example. So 798 weekly downloads. So after installing it, so just make a simple functional component. And first of all, we need to import this package. So we will simply import this package by using the import statement. So import progress, and it will be coming from this package React Progress. So it is only 2.67 kilobytes size of this package, and we are importing this progress bar. And now we need, basically, if you want to show directly this progress bar, the component is very much simple. Let me show you the actual progress bar. So inside this div, I will, wherever you need to show this progress bar, simply put this component, and it actually takes two options. First is the percentage of the progress bar, and you can provide a value from 0 to 100. So let me provide 50, and then you can change the color of the progress as well, progress bar. So blue, let me set it to blue, and here you can even control the height of the progress bar as well. So let me put here 50. So now what happens, if you see in the browser, you will actually see this progress bar. So the height is 50. So we can even decrease this height. Let's suppose only 20 here. So you can adjust the height accordingly. I think 5 is more than enough. So it will look something like this. So it is similar to YouTube. YouTube, I think, is having the red color. So I will change it to red. So something like this. You can even control the height to, let's suppose, 3. So it basically looks like YouTube progress bar. So whenever you go to youtube.com, you have seen this progress bar. While the things are loading, this exactly looks like this. If you go to the YouTube website, so let me go to youtube.com. So you will actually see this progress bar in this position. So my internet connection is fast, so you can't see that, but you will see this red progress bar appearing. So exactly we are implementing this. So what we can simply do, so these are the three properties where we control the progress bar very simply. And now if you want to implement this, we can actually have a form where the user will submit the information. So we can give it a padding of 20 pixel and a maximum width of 400 pixel and margin of auto. So inside this, we will actually have two input fields where we allow the user to actually enter the name and the email. So we have these two input fields. So if you refresh now, so we do need to define these functions as well, which is on change. So handle change on both these input fields. I binded this on change event handler. So when the value is changed, so it's a complete example. All the source code will be given in the description. So it's, this tutorial is not about the forms. So it's a very simple form which does the same thing where the user submits the information, and once they click the submit button, we actually show the progress bar and then the details. So what is happening right here, when we are clicking the button, we are actually submitting the form, and this on submit event handler uh, executes, and this inside this I have defined a function here, handle submit, which handles the submission of the form, and here we are preventing the auto submission, and then we are setting the progress bar percent to 0, and we are starting from 0, and then we are simply executing set interval function to have a delay. So we are showing this progress bar, incrementing it from 0 to 100 and in about 200 milliseconds. So we are simply having a delay to just so that the user can see the progress bar appearing. So once you enter the details, you will see it will take almost half of a second to actually let the user know that the progress bar is there. So in this way, you can use this package specifically designed for React.js application React Progress to make a progress bar similarly to YouTube, and you can change the color and look and feel of this progress bar very simply by changing the color to red. And now if you submit, you will see this red progress bar. So it's a very simple component specifically designed for React.js application. So thank you very much for watching this video, and do check out my website as well, freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video, and image. And I will be seeing you in the next video.